But then I worry about what's happened in the last 10, 12 years, and the kids that were basically born at the outset of the modern smartphone, that they've grown up with these devices just being there from the beginning, that it's in their formative years and that's how they're using it. And I know that this is like a whole other topic really that could be that we could talk on, but for me it's really concerning that their brains are getting hardwired in a way to be addicted to these phones for much longer, in terms of usage, which requires almost extra levels of diligence to steer them away from that. And that's kind of concerning in a way, because there doesn't seem to be anything at the moment that would indicate that that's going to happen.
Look, I think there's a real danger there if you grow up using these devices only for entertainment purposes, and you're in the routine from the age of 12 onward of just checking it whenever you hear a ping, whenever you've got a second to yourself, rather than thinking, you check and scroll and like. If that's all you know and that's all you become, then I don't know what that will mean for you 30 years down the track.
Well, it'll be
At least you and I can always fall back on our imaginations.
well, I guess it'll be an interesting sociological experiment to see where society is in the 2030s and 2040s, when we're truly much older men by then. Let's put
A
it that way.
generation of intellectual vegetables.
Yeah, potentially. While the two of us are sitting on a porch with a cane, like waving at them. Oh, these young.
Waldo and Emerson.
Yeah, exactly.